just did miss I'm talking to the sun. And I said I didn't like the way he got things done. Slipping on my job, those raindrops keep falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's a thing I know, the blues they sing to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness does sing to meet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Cries not from it, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free, nothing worrying me. It won't be long till happiness does sing to meet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Cries not from it, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free, nothing worrying me. Thank you very much. ありがとうございました。京王電鉄さんのコマーシャルでおなじみ「雨に濡れても」を歌いました。今の時期だからこそ雨に濡れても立ち上がるぞという思いでみんなで協力して乗り越えましょう。さて、前回の動画でご紹介したボランティアの壁を越えた若者たちという私の、講座なんですけれども、中止となりましたのでお知らせさせていただきます。ではまたお会いしましょう。